Guys, I am audible to all of you. A very
Yes, sir.
warm good morning once again to
Good
all of you.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Yesterday, we did lots of things. Where are we? Have you guys done the practice?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a very difficult question. Huh? 90% people doesn't answer.
Yes, sir. Practice.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. You guys got the video? Some of the people was saying you did not get the video and so on.
Yeah, we received it, sir. It was
Yes,
late.
sir.
I think
Yes.
around 8 p.m. I got it. But yeah, I
Acha,
practiced it.
practice it. Awesome, man. You got it 8 p.m. and then you did
Your
the
voice
practice.
is not.
So that's a good thing. I really liked it. I'm not saying that everybody can do because of the many other priorities and XYZ. Important thing is that you should be keen to do that. अगर if you guys have an interest, अगर पढ़ने का पैशन है तो आई एम हैप्पी, और नहीं है तो फिर क्या कर सकते हैं बताइए, फिर तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
अजय सर, वन मोर थिंग. जब मैंने कल रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए पूछा था तो दे सेड कि 5-6 आवर्स इट टेक्स आफ्टर द क्लास. मतलब ये यूजुअल है क्या? दैट्स टू लॉन्ग एक्चुअली.
देखो मुझे क्या लगता है, इट्स नॉट automatic, it's integrated with the Zoom and the recording happens, but seems that the manual upload is happening, and because of that it is taking time. So they are once it is recorded, they have their defined time that after this much of time they will upload it. So it's a process.
Okay.
It's not like that, in the LMS, we started the Zoom, I am teaching it and record it and automatically upload it to the LMS. I could see that manual process involved. That's the reason it's taking time.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I convey the message that to do it early, but currently this is the time that they follow. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So today I'm trying to connect that what I did yesterday, but I'm not sure what is the issue here. It's getting some error while
कोई बात
connecting.
नहीं यार, error आना is not, error means good. You have trying to do something.
Yeah.
If you are not getting error, it means you are not trying. That is my funda. We get the obstacle if we try. If we are sitting in a room and enjoying in a bed and sleeping good time, it means you are not doing anything. We are doing good things, sleeping, but we are not struggling it. So if you're struggling, it means you're trying your best to do something. So shout, share a screen, show me, and I will help you.
It's disabled. Sir.
Sorry,
It's disabled. It's only for host, I guess.
I'll make you president. I make you host mine. Now also yours, all yours.
Let me share again here. So let me know, sir.
No, I'm not let you know. What you have done, show me first.
Sir, I have just run the instance. It's running.
Do it again. Do it again. Whatever you have done it. Create launch instance one more time, sir.
From
Don't delete. Yeah. Don't delete. Launch instance. Do it, Mr. Rishi. What
Yeah.
I'm trying to say, you have launched the instance. Can you launch one more time?
One more time, sir.
Yes, sir. And keep talking whatever you have done.
Initially, we have to just like that instance one when
Write it down. Write it down. Do it. Launch one more. That's okay. Don't
Yes.
worry. You will not get the bill. We'll delete it quickly.
Yeah.
Do that. Yeah.
in first one, just go ahead with the EC2, that is Elastic Cloud. Last one, what is that? Elastic Cloud and last C.
Elastic Compute Cloud.
Yeah, Elastic Compute Cloud. Then click on that launch instance. Just click, give the name whatever you want to give. Next one would be and the OS you want to give. Like for us, we choose Ubuntu and the stable version of it, 2004, and choose prettier if you want.
Yeah, that's fine. It's already selected. Next.
create a new key
You no
pair.
need, yeah, every time no need to create. You can use the existing previous one also. You can up to 5,000 server, you can use one same key pair.
I had one.
Open drop down. Yeah. This is the one you created, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You do have this file in your local server, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay.
And see, if we talk about network setting, then select a existing security group in which default one would be preference, and we have to increase. It's totally up to you that you have you want to decrease, but don't decrease this one. This
Right.
8 GB, and in right number of instance which we want to run. Just click on launch. It will take 30 to 40 seconds to launch it.
Right.
Let me terminate this one first.
Okay.
Also, we have refresh button in AWS.
Okay.
Yeah, it's running. Let's connect this one. Go to your PowerShell. Let me start.
The one big thing, you have listened my class very well. That is good. But you have missed one thing here. Your security group is logged, man. You need to go and modify the security group that I taught yesterday. So select your instance, go back, click on the instance, select your instance in the property section security, modify it, click on above, little up. Yeah. Click on that default security group.
This one.
Yeah, click on that. Click inbound security group. Delete this one.
That I missed.
All traffic.
So every time we have to do the same?
Once, only once. Next time we will select this only, na?
Yeah.
Only once. Save.
That was the issue.
Now you try to connect.
Where is it?
Keep talking.
Go on download and just run the command that we had, and make sure that download that key pair must be in download or where we are doing the key
Where
pair.
you have your key pair.
Yes, sir. I have my key pair. Now it's getting that. Morning by 1:30. Yeah. Now I'm connected, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations. So you understood the gap.
Yes, sir. The security group.
Why I said I knew that this is the problem. Why I said to do start from the scratch? Because troubleshooting when you do na, you should not be in between. You should start from the scratch when you do the troubleshooting. This is the first lesson of your troubleshooting. Okay.
Yes,
Always
sir.
start analyzing the thing from the start only.
From the
Not
start.
in between.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Anybody else? Perfect. Everybody is very good then.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are creating an instances, so every time you have to like create a key pair.
One key pair can be used with the 500 servers. Does not matter. It's a Windows, Linux, Mac, and doesn't matter. You can use it the key pair with 5,000 servers. So no need to create every time. Same here. We have used the existing key pair only, right?
Okay, so here in drop down list, you need to just select the key pairs.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question for sir. Just curiosity, or my question might be some silly. If we choose a Mac OS, so would it be CLI or would it be GUI?
Both. It is up to you.
Or we can create GUI also.
Mac.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mac.
Windows. If you create the like window, you'll get a GUI also. Although I
And
am not in favor of creating the windows, but if you want that, I can show you the Windows GUI available. You want me to show?
yeah, sir. If you
Okay.
can.
Do yourself. I'll guide. Share your screen.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Okay. EC2. No need to search again and again. Now click on EC2 is written here. Launch instance. And this time you select window also.
Linux, Windows.
Right. And Window 2022. Have you heard this version?
No, sir. I
No, no.
haven't.
See, this is the latest version available, boss.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Now select 22 only. That's okay. We can just temporary. We are not going to use it, right? We're just testing purpose we are doing. Okay.
Yes.
Select the first one.
Select
Windows, scroll down. But the problem is Windows 2022 is very heavy. Even your laptop, you have a 8 gig of memory and all. If I take 1 GB of memory, now it will take one hour to start this. So can you go to the paid tier? Don't worry. You will not get the bill. We'll delete it quickly. Scroll down. Scroll down.
Yes.
Yeah. Select here. Open drop down. Scroll down little more. Yeah. T2 large. Select T2 large.
Yes, sir.
It's paid category, but don't worry, you'll not get the bill. Okay. If you get it hardly 5 rupees, will it be okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Select your key pair. So, Baba, you answered your question. I'm selecting the same one, even for Windows also.
Yes.
Select the same security group again. See, here the window is heavy. It is taking 30 gig.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Launch. Linux takes 40 seconds to make it ready. Windows takes 5 minutes to get it ready.
Well,
Okay.
yes,
So
sir.
we have to wait. We have to
Wait till
wait 5 minutes. Meanwhile, can you go to your window search? Window, it will not work from PowerShell. No, click on the search. And there is, can you write MS TSC or remote server? Yeah, remote desktop connection is coming. Na? Click on that.
Yes.
Yeah, click on that. Okay, wait. Click on show options. Multiple created now. Close one of them, yeah. Click on show options. Perfect. Okay, now Windows Server is running, but it is not actual running. Select the Windows Server. Connect. There's a process a little different. Okay, click on RDP client. Scroll down. Get password. Upload the key files. Select your key file. Where is your key file? It will generate the password. Scroll down, generate password. Decrypt password. Scroll down. This is your password. Huh? Perfect. Okay, hold on. Don't select. Public DNS, copy public DNS. Go to your remote connection that you have opened. Put it there. Paste it here. Paste the user ID that is also showing here, right? From where you copied the public DNS, no? Yeah. Paste it. Save. Save. Not save. Scroll down. No, drag it to the up. Drag it to the up. Scroll up. Yeah.
Connect.
Connect. Copy password. Paste it. Okay. Yes. What GUI is available? Wait. This is 22 Windows 22 server.
Yes. So why can't we use VMware then if it's
Why we should use VMware? Because you want to earn money, na?
yeah.
Start loving command line, black screen, okay?
Yes.
Start typing everything. Windows, where the convenience is there, money is less, huh? Always remember.
Yes.
So Windows is available. Click on yes. Yeah.
Sir, it's too hangy means even window drop down is not coming for and 20
Wait, yeah. Everything takes times. Let it settle down, na?
yeah.
Okay. Open the browser. This is server, huh? Everything you need to accept it without data. Yeah. Sign it to the Google continue. Okay. In the browser, write fast.com. You want to see the speed of FAST, fast, speed of AWS, right? Enter.
Yes.
This is the speed.
1.1 Gbps.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
This is not your internet. This is AWS speed.
I know, sir.
You can deploy a website also.
Yes, sir. I think we can use user policies also to connect multiple instances on administrator, right, sir?
I'm not going to teach you guys Windows. Even if you want and ask so many questions, I will discourage you to learn Windows because money is not there in the window. What to do?
Yeah.
If you want to earn money, stop loving Windows.
Yes, sir.
Disconnect, not shut down, disconnect. Go there, go back, instance, select the Windows, delete it. But you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Anybody else? Any question before I move on?
All good.
No one?
No question, sir.
Then I have questions. In the way that what I expect, I will give all kind of answers. Whatever you ask, I'll give you. But when I ask the questions, you also need to come back. Even if you don't know, say, I don't know. That is okay. But you need to talk. Why, guys? I keep forcing you to talk. Why? Because that gives a confidence for the interview, okay? Because if you go to the interview, then is the only way that if you not talk, then you will not get the confidence. That is sure. In front of the people. And that time you will lurking. Okay. So, Priyal Pujara.
Yes, sir.
Have you done the practice?
Yes.
Okay. So, have you compiled the Java? Have you deployed it into the Tomcat?
Yeah, the Java part was remaining till installing Tomcat I did. But now my keypad is not working, my laptops. So I was doing that since half an hour.
No
So
problem.
I'll do it again.
No problem. Gitanshu Gupta. Who did this Java part? Java compilation yesterday we learned.
I have done it, sir.
I've done it,
Okay,
sir.
perfect. So let's do one thing. Let's extend it to the next level. Yesterday we deployed it manually, right? Through GUI through CLI command line. We written the command and we did it. Right? Let's do through automation today. Shall I do that? Automatic.
Yes.
So how to do that? You know what? For that we require Jenkins. Why do we? What is Jenkins? Anybody knows?
No, sir.
Okay. Let me take a control host back. I'm sharing the screen.
It's a server, no, sir, like for automation.
Let's understand that. I delete this. Hold on. Let me delete whatever I have created. Okay. So this server is deleted, not deleted. Let me launch a server. Jenkins, right? Don't worry, theory and all I'll teach you. I'll make you everything ready. But if you learn little practical before theory, the theory becomes interesting. Okay, because you start relating the things. Instead of I teach you theory first, you'll get bored. But if I teach you practical and then theory, you will able to relate. So server creation, everybody knows 1 CPU, 1 gig of memory. Key pair. I've taken security group existing. I've taken storage is fine. Number of server is 1. Getting launch. I have taken Ubuntu 20, right? Anybody noted? No one? I've taken Ubuntu 20. Yes, it is written here. By chance, if you forgot, it is written here. Wasim,
Yes, sir.
has become my partner today.
Sure, sir.
So whatever I have done, let me delete the previous one. You don't have to delete because this is not related to this.
Okay.
Okay. So my server is ready. I copy this server. PowerShell.
Yeah. So go to the location where you have the key pair and then paste the command that we copied.
Okay,
for
Wasim, I
SSH.
gave you one assignment.
Mhm.
My key pair is in download most of the time, right?
Yeah.
And every time I have to write downloads, CD downloads.
Mhm.
By default, this path automatically comes, right?
Yeah.
I want by default this path should come. I do not need to write download in PowerShell. If every time you need to do the same thing repeated manually again and again, it's not giving you the value add, right? And you are wasting your time.
Correct.
Figure out how it will automatically come by default. This is not AWS. This is not Devops. This is simple PowerShell command, right? Next time when I search PowerShell, it should come till here, not till here. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Will you do that? Anybody
Mm,
else who wants to join with Wasim? I rephrase the question. Anybody else who want to do this assignments?
We'll check, sir, if we can do.
If possible.
If
I know, but
possible.
I will not tell you. Search it.
I think we can set default path.
Correct. So So this is there, control L, sudo su, sorry, my bad, sudo su, I'm in root. Okay. So let's try to understand why do we need Jenkins, right? Yesterday, Wasim sir,
Yes, sir.
these are the developers.
Mhm.
They are keeping the code in Git, right? That's what
Okay.
we have seen yesterday.
Yes.
And from there, we are getting the code to our server. And from our server, we are compiling it. We are compiling it and we are converting to the war. And we are deploying it to the same environment or another environment, right?
Right.
Maybe multiple environments. So these guys are putting the code here. From there, we are compiling the code. And from there, we are deploying to these environments. So this is, let's say, development environment. This is system integration testing environment. This is production environment. So if they guy are making the changes in every 2 minutes, will you do every 2 minutes this?
No.
Manually, you will die. And there is no value add because same thing again and again is again happening, right?
Right.
Can we automate?
There
So,
should be a way. Yes.
so the thing is that what you are doing, trying to understand, they guys are developing the code and they are putting the code here, right?
Right.
So this guy is keeping the code here in their repository somewhere here. This guy
Correct.
is keeping the code here somewhere here. This guy is keeping the code here somewhere here. They are developing the code for one application, but 3 different places they are keeping it, right?
Right.
But with the separate code, one application can be built? No, they need to merge it. They need to make it one. So their team lead comes,
Mhm.
he checks the code and merge it to one and keep it some other location.
Okay.
Right, Wasim?
Yes, sir. Right.
Now it's a one code.
Right.
What he does, he validated the code and he integrated the code. Right?
Right.
If it is doing in every 1 minute, every 1 hour, every 1 day, every 1 week, it means he is doing the continuous, right?
Mhm.
If it is doing continuous and if he is doing integration, it becomes continuous integration.
Okay.
Have you heard CI/CD?
Yes, sir. Heard this.
So this is CI.
Okay.
Now you understood what is CI.
Yes, exactly.
When I say you, it means whole batch. Okay. I need one person whom I can talk. That's the reason I have selected Wasim. But it means everyone. Okay. So if you have a question, please stop me here. Continuous integration is clear.
Yes, sir.
But the thing is that, can this code be used as is? No. Because this code is written in Java. This needs to be converted in something so that it can be used by the user. For that, I need Maven and I convert this code into the var so that it can be used. Right, Wasim?
Right, sir.
If I'm doing in every 1 minute, every 1 hour, every 1 day, every 1 week, then it is a continuous. So what I'm doing, continuous build,
Builds.
continuous integration, and now it is continuous build. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So you have, let's say you want to cook the food. So you bought the goods, you bought the ration, right?
Mhm.
Here. And if it is bringing every defined interval, then it becomes continuous, right?
Right.
But the food cannot be used as is. So you are cooking the food here.
Correct.
And same, if you are doing a defined interval, you are continuously building it, right? Continuously building the food, right?
Right.
But tell me one thing, Wasim. Whenever you cook the food, you eat it right away or you sometime wait also?
Sometimes we wait to get it cold or something like that.
So
I
either
mean,
you
we wait, we
directly
don't.
right away you deploy or you can wait also. It is up to your requirement, right?
Mhm.
Correct?
Correct, sir.
So the cooked food, if you keep it somewhere up to the time, then you need it, then it is called repository.
Okay.
Artifact repository. Understood?
Understood.
And whenever you need it, you can consume it, you can eat it, or in this world, we say deploy it.
Okay.
You deploy to the yesterday we deployed into the Tomcat and it came into the browser, right?
Right.
So if you are doing the deployment in every 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 week, everything, then it is called continuous deployment.
Okay.
So what we talked about? Continuous integration. Then continuous
Builds.
build. After
And
that,
continuous
artifact
deployments.
repository. And then continuous deployment. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
I'm a little a bad teacher.
No.
If you don't ask the question, I will go to you and ask the questions. Huh? So be ready for that. Be active there. I will randomly go to anyone and ask the question. Yesterday, 2 people were not responding. I will not take the name, but going forward, start taking the name, whoever is not responding and they are not active. So be active. Throw your phone, using that you are watching the reels or videos or working at something at home. Stop it. This is going to change your career. Huh? You are on the big career transformation. So pay attention. Any question here? Once again, I'm asking CI, CB, CD or artifact repository.
No, all good.
Sir, here is one question. Like you said, team lead who is doing a merge of code that's been developed by different developers. Okay.
Mhm.
So how he would define the sequence of integrating that and all those stuffs will be with the team lead itself. That will not
Not
come
team
to a
lead. He will
person.
discuss with the developer. He will read the code. He will understand the code. Then only he should be
Okay.
very technical, man.
Okay.
Without that, how he can do that?
Correct.
I'm not asking a DevOps team lead. I'm saying that developers team lead.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a good question actually. Yeah. Anyone? Okay. So let's move on. So CI/CD. The thing is that manual is not, earlier manual used to happen. Do you know that, Wasim? Earlier
No, sir.
it used to happen manual. And many companies have started writing their own code, custom scripts so that they can deploy and all, or they reduce the frequency because it's very difficult. But this is not giving a value add, right? Because you're compromising with your process. So a tool came in the market. And that tool name is Jenkins.
Okay.
Wasim,
Yes, sir.
can you fight with 2 people?
Maybe that depends.
Okay. That depends. Can you fight with 10 people?
Absolutely not.
Why you cannot fight? Because you don't have all the required things that may require to fight with the 10 people, right?
Right.
So by default, you are weak. Weak in the sense that you cannot fight with the 10 people or 20 people or 100 people, right? But if I give you all kind of gadgets, powers, then you can fight with if I keep giving you a gadget like Ukraine, he's a very weak country, but keep giving the, fighting things for the Russia, he is able to fight, right?
Right.
Same thing is with Jenkins. Jenkins is a very weak tool. It's like Ukraine.
Okay.
But company has created so many weapons or so many plugins. We call plugin here, not weapons. So many plugins that it's a very, very strong tool now. So if you go to the Jenkins plugins, there's a dedicated website, 1800 plus plugins.
Okay.
If you search anything now, if I search, let's say deploy. Can you see that?
Yep.
If I write any single word, you'll get so many. Huh?
Okay.
The thing is that if I attach this gadget to the Jenkins, it means Jenkins got the power of containers. If I write AWS, Jenkins will get the power of AWS now.
Okay.
Understood? So
Yes.
by default, Jenkins is weak, but keep adding the power to that. It makes a very strong tool in the market. Now you understood why I asked the question of that fighting.
Yes.
Now, Jenkins installation is very simple. I go there. This is first and foremost requirement. Okay, let's go there and go to this one. Devops, my docs, Jenkins. Where the Jenkins? This is the Jenkins. Okay, and Jenkins installation. Anybody can see that? Yeah, this is the Jenkins installation.
Okay.
So yesterday I said that we can put multiple commands in a one file and we will execute it. All of them will execute, right?
Correct.
So update and upgrade I already talked about. So let's do this update and upgrade first. Okay, this is
okay.
Session is gone. We need to enter. If you don't use this, then you need to log in it again.
Okay. So it has that default timeout setting or something.
That's what I was about to say. You asked. Guys, this default timeout setting can be increased. Anybody can. This is again not DevOps and cloud. This is PowerShell. Shraddha Patil and
Hi.
Abhay Sinha, you both, can you figure it out how we can increase the timeout of this PowerShell?
Sure.
Do
But
it Google in a first YouTube video, you will get it. How to increase the time. Okay, why I'm giving small assignments, why I'm not doing? Because it will generate the curiosity. If you start doing something, you will start learning something else also. Because when we start doing all these things, we start learning many other things because surroundings, and you'll not get to know also. So session is gone. I press up arrow, enter. It will not ask, do you want to connect or not? Only once it is asked. Now I connected. Sudo su.
Sir, how did you connected it again?
Can you
I
repeat?
think how did you connected it again if it was timed out?
So you press enter, the session will come. Session gone message will come. This one message will come. Hold on. This message will come. Just press enter. After waiting for 30 seconds or 1 minute, this message will come. Then again you paste the correct string that we normally copy from AWS, and then press enter, it will connect. Okay.
Okay.
Control L, and now I'm in the root and I'm writing here apt update. This is the first and foremost command you should run always. -y. If you want to run two commands, n%, apt upgrade -y. Enter.
Sir, there apt it should be there, no? You wrote APY.
apt I missed.
Yes, in the second command you miss.
Yeah,
APT.
typo is there instead of.
Yeah.
So it will not run. This will run, and then I need to run this again. Thanks for noticing that. See, error came, right? APY. So upgrade. Enter. So nothing to upgrade, it's already updated. So we are done with this. Very good. Now go to this. Now I need to install OpenJDK. OpenJDK is a prerequisites of Jenkins. So apt install OpenJDK 11. Copy, right click. Guys, till here, this is one command. So if my command is very big, I want to split in 2 lines, then this forward slash we need to put. If the forward slash is written, it means it is a one command. And this is required. This is not something I created. This is Jenkins has given for the installation of the Jenkins. Okay. So this is going on. And this is one command till here. Can you see forward slash here, and then here. So
Okay.
these are one commands. So you are learning along with the DevOps, you are learning Linux. Till the last class also you will keep learning Linux. Okay. So pay attention.
But one query is
So
there.
JDK is done. I write Java -- version. And it is showing yes, OpenJDK is there. It should come. Now I copy this command. Paste anyway. Enter. I copy this command. Right click. Paste. Enter. And again run the apt. Sudo. See, we are already in the root.
Mhm.
If we are, let's say, if we are in not root and we want to run a root command, then we write sudo. But we are already in the root, so we will not write sudo. Not required.
Why we are updating before installing? What we are updating here?
Because we want, the server should be updated. Like whenever you buy the laptop, they always give you the latest updated Windows, right?
Okay. So
All
we
the
are
packages should
updating
be there.
software.
Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody's pinging. Idle timeout. Yeah. Shraddha. Don't give this. We want a demo, okay?
Actually,
Okay.
I do not know because I missed yesterday's session and I have to watch the session.
No, yesterday's session, nothing I said that I have given to you. This is just
No. I just have to connect to the RDP and I do not know how do we connect it. So
RDP. Why do you need to connect RDP? That's a window.
No, I think she meant to say that she missed the session where you showed how to connect the instances using
Don't worry.
SSH in the
Every
Linux.
time we are connecting, I'll teach you before leaving the class once again. And anyway, video is also there.
yeah, I'll watch the videos and I'll do it.
No problem, ma'am. The thing is that it is saying apt install Jenkins -y done, but it is saying package not available. So there is a problem. Jenkins has no installation candidate. Means it is saying that Jenkins is not installed. What to do? So I'll try it again. apt update. Let's say it works, or it's giving me the error. It is saying that it has not taken the repository. So this commands, it has not taken. Okay. Can I run these commands together? Let's see it works or not. For that, I need to put into the file. So cat > j.sh, enter, right click, enter, control C. Yesterday we did. Okay. And I should give a permission, or if I don't want to give a permission, instead of writing // yesterday we did, instead of that write bash. What is bash? You write it down. I'll answer later. Okay, this worked. Let me try this again. Let's check if it's working. Still an error. It means there is a problem. It is saying that boss, no, it is not supporting your key. This file is not supporting. Okay, we'll see what is the problem and we'll come back. Okay, and let's try this again. It means Jenkins, and that's what the job of DevOps. Not just a simple installation that you did and that you are good. Wow, it's working. No, sir. This is the actual thing. You need to resolve this problem in your day-to-day life and figure it out that how to do that. And this is your asset also. See, error started coming. So whenever you're getting the error, copy this error, open the notepad, put it there. And whenever you resolve, put a solution. Once it is resolved, put a solution underneath there. Because now this is the real proof that you are working on Devops. You are working in Jenkins. Because whenever you go to the interview, if they ask, can you tell me what all the things you have worked? So you can say that, yes, I've done the installation with this process. And while doing this, I got the error also. And this is the way that I resolved. It gives a confidence to them that you have implemented, you have really worked. So your errors are your assets. So always jot down your errors and the solution. Now the error shows that okay, I'm not going to troubleshoot it. I will simply go. Why I'm simply going? Because possible that Jenkins has changed the process of installation also. So what I do, I go here, go to the Google and Jenkins installation on Ubuntu. I press enter. I open the Jenkins file, this one, and scroll down where I want to install in Linux. So this is Linux and this is the command. So this is, if you look into that, this is the same command that I'm executing, but still not taking. Let me try that if I have missed any typo or anything I've done. This one I was putting in a file and I was executing. I copy this. I go back here. My file cat greater than j dot sh. Guys, can you tell me what will happen with this greater than sign?
It will overwrite whatever you have there.
So whatever I have written in this file, it will go away and this will come. Enter and Control C, bash J, enter. So this is working. Now let me check if it is working or not. apt update. Perfect. Now this time no error come. Earlier it was error. It means some typo is in my installation process. Although everything is the same, I write this, enter. Do you want to install? I say yes. It's working. Now installation. So what I do, this is the one, and I go to my installation document and check that what is the error. Curl, if you compare like this, most of the things are same. Everything, maybe some
so that
space.
key is having a different name, jenkins.io.
I'm just checking. I'm checking. This one? Yeah. 2023. Latest one, something came.
Yeah.
Right? This is the gap. So they have changed the path. I'm okay. I'm okay. Remove this, add this. Right? Controls. Earlier, this 2023 was not there. Now they have added. So it means they have changed this path. This path is changed. Okay. Now I understood. But now you know that with the latest installation 2023 means the path is updated. So you can say that we were getting this issue, that this was the issue. It was not getting the repository path. And for that, what was the change? While doing the installation, we observed that 2023 path was added, and that was the change. It means you have gone into the detail. You have understood that. Okay, where is the gap? And this gives the confidence to the interviewer. Okay. Now, Jenkins install. Jenkins runs on 8080 path, 8080 port.
Okay.
So I copy this IP. I can take DNS also, public DNS. Both will work. Right?
Yeah.
Colon 8080. Jenkins is here. Or if I go here and take a public IP, this will also work. Both are same. Okay, but it is saying that go to this path and fetch out the password. So I copy this path. How to fetch the password, guys? I copy this path and how to get? Yesterday I told the command. If you want to get something from this file, cat, no greater than sign, no double greater than sign, just path. It will print whatever is inside this file. Enter. This is the password. Double click, right click, paste it here. Continue. Never. Now I told you, guys, Jenkins is a weak tool. It requires so many plugins to do that. So by default, it is recommended some plugins you should be there, or you can select your own plugins. So as we are a first class, so I'll not go to the select plugins. Rather, I say that whatever Jenkins is suggesting will do that. So I click on install suggested plugins, and it will install these so many plugins. These were plugins. Art plugins, pipeline plugins, SSH plugins, Git plugins, GitHub plugins, pipeline, LDAP plugins, so many plugins that it is installing automatically. Wasim sir, where are you? You are my partner of crime.
Yes, sir.
So far, so good.
Yes, sir.
So Jenkins we are installing. Next time, I'm not going to do install manual. I'll just copy everything, put into the file, execute as a script, and within a 1 minute, automatically will install, right?
Okay.
What is missing here? Upgrade is missing here. What I do? Copy, %, paste, and write upgrade. Perfect. Now user, I'm going to use multiple times, so I'm giving very short user A, and A dot data. It's not going to validate, don't worry. Save and continue. So it is taking a URL of this URL. If this URL changes, you know what? If you stop the server and start it again, this public IP will change.
Okay.
If you stop it and start it, this public IP change. So always remember your Jenkins is saving your public IP. And if it is that changing, you need to change this also. So I click on save and start using Jenkins. So Wasim sir,
Yes, sir.
tell me, what did we do yesterday? How we did the manual deployment yesterday? Or not only Wasim, I'm not pointing you. Whoever did it practice at home. Somebody said, no, some people said that they did it, right? Tell me the
So,
process.
For that Java code you're saying, right? The Maven part we
The
ran.
very first thing, we got the Java code.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah, we got that from the GitHub.
Git.
Yeah.
Not
Okay. Sorry.
GitHub.
Git. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we got
the Git.
it from the
Okay.
Git, and then we compiled it.
Then we install Maven.
Okay.
After that,
we got the war file converted, or the war file.
No. Hold on.
Okay.
Right? We installed the Maven. Then we went to the path where pom.xml was there. What is pom.xml? When I learn Maven, that will tell you. We went to the path, and there we run the Maven test command, and then we run Maven install command that will build, and this will test, right?
Yeah.
And after that, we installed Tomcat, and then this build command has given the war file, right?
Right.
This war file we copied to the target location from where it can be accessed through web. Perfect, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you know, Java code we got, for that we require to install Git also. But we did not install the Git. But how come that Git clone command worked? Because with this Ubuntu, by default Git installation is coming.
Okay.
By default Git installation automatically shows that. That's the reason we have not installed Git earlier. But we will learn later, okay? Because when we will learn Git, I'll teach you that also. Okay, by default, Git comes with a Ubuntu. Okay, sir.
Okay.
So what I do it here, I go to my Git, github.com, sign in. This is my Git. You guys also create a Git account, okay?
Okay.
And here, this is my code. So this is the code. Inside the code, what is written here? If I go to this it is written here, it is always good to learn something new, Saurabh. Dhananjay must start learning Linux to understand the VI command. Something is written, whatever. Okay. Now, this is the path. I go here, copy this, and go to my here, do the git. Session is again gone. But I'm not going this because I want to manual. Yesterday we did, we git clone. Why I should do git clone? Right? I go to the Jenkins.
Mhm.
And you know what? Whatever I'm teaching, the steps are written with me. And let me give you that. Open that for you. Jenkins notes. Okay. So I'll scroll down here. Same project. There are multiple things. Let's start with that. Yeah, yesterday we did this. Every single thing is written, but whatever we did here. So you don't need to remember, it is clearly written here. This is the manual process that we followed. Everybody is clear with the manual, or yesterday we did, or anybody has any question? Again, I'm asking before I automate this.
So we will try today, and then after that we can see.
No problem. Okay. So go to the video yesterday. So this is the one that now we are going to automate this, right? So as I said, Jenkins is everything required plugins. So we need to install plugins, build pipeline, Maven integration, and deploy. So we are going to learn how to install plugins, how to remove plugins, right? So for that, what we have to do, we have to go to the Jenkins, click on the manage Jenkins, and plugins. Where is the plugin written? Manage plugins. And here, available plugins. So very first plugin that I need, that is build pipeline. Copy this, paste it here. Build pipeline. That is one I have selected. You can select multiple also. Maven integration. Select Maven integration. Hold down Maven integration. Third is deploy to the container. Deploy to the container. You know what? You can install without restart or install and then restart. It is your choice. Some of the plugins not required restart of Jenkins. Some of the plugins required, because considering we are installing 3 big plugins, I'll prefer to restart and it will automatically restart. You do not need to do anything. See, installation is going on of all the plugins. See, installation. And it is saying it will require restart. That's the reason I selected restart. I click on this checkbox, it will restart the Jenkins. So how to install plugin is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same place you can uninstall the plugins also. Okay, it will automatically restart. And now, meanwhile, I'll go to the next command. Install Tomcat and Tomcat admin. Okay, so let's install Tomcat. The problem is happened. I have taken a low configuration of server. Hardly 1 CPU, 1 gig of memory.
Mhm.
And that's what the problem is happening, because if I'm installing the Jenkins on that server, then I will install Maven, then I install Tomcat, this server will die. So that's mistake I have done. What I do, I stop the server. I can change the configuration also, but I need to stop the server and then only I can do. And see, this IP will change. This 225.89. Remember that, okay? Stop. Why I'm saying this? Because I have seen this in past. I have seen that server can't sustain with this, because you can understand, even your mobile is so much of good configuration. Forget about server. So server with the 1 CPU is definitely going to kill 1 gig of memory, right? So I need to go to the paid category. That is okay, because hardly 5-10 rupees if it's charging. With the good practice, I'm okay. And stopped. I go here and instance settings and instance type. T2 micro, I'll go with the T2 medium or T2 large. T2 medium, T2 large, small, T2 large. Okay. I go with the T2X large. Apply. It's a 2 CPU, 4 gig of memory. Okay. And I start. This IP address is gone. Can you see that? If I start,
Yeah.
some new IP will come. I refresh. Can you see that?
Yes. That's
The earlier
changed.
IP was 225.89.
225.89.
Now it is 189.128. So I need to go here, change this. Server is starting, so we have to wait. Okay.
So can we use elastic IP, static IP since starting?
We can. Right? We
Right.
can. So I log in with that. But I told you Jenkins also store this IP address also. Jenkins also maintain the IP address of this. For that update, I need to click on the manage Jenkins and click on configure system. And in the configure system, I need to scroll down. Can you see that this is the old IP?
Yeah.
This is the old IP, right? I need to update this with the latest IP. Latest IP is this.
This port 8080 means we have for Jenkins. we have to do.
Jenkins default port is 8080. Huh? So 8080 is written. So I have to update this IP also here and save. Okay. So Jenkins good configuration is there. Now Tomcat I need to install, right? As per the document. This is the document. It is saying that install Tomcat and Tomcat admin. So yesterday we learned how to install the Tomcat. Simple, it is written in this document. And yesterday we also learned apt install Tomcat 9. That's what the command was there, right? So where is that command? It is why I'm showing to you so that you can do apt install Tomcat 9 -y. It is written here with the root. Oh, IP address
Sir,
is,
I think that
this
IP
command will
changed.
not work. IP address
Yeah.
is changed. Okay. So I need to connect, copy, Control C, right click. Yes. Sudo su, and then apt install
install.
Tomcat 9. And problem is that this Tomcat is also running on port 8080. Jenkins is also running on port 8080 and Tomcat is also running on the port 8080. So both cannot run in a same port, right? So either one port needs to be changed. By default, Tomcat is also running port 8080. So I have to go to this path to change the port. VI or cat, I'll not do cat because I have to change only one small thing, not the whole file I want to replace. So there is a editor in like a notepad in Windows. There is an editor in Linux and that editor name is called VI, right? And this path, either I go to this path or directly from this path I do. How to go to this path? CD, then etc/tomcat 9, and then this is a file next. So CD will not work in the next file. CD I done, and then VI. What is the file name? Server.xml. Server.xml. It is open. There's so much of written here. I want to search port 8080 because Wasim sir, you should be active.
Yes, sir.
I need to search port 8080. Escape /8080. It is there. Enter. Then this port here, this is a command. I need actual port to search. Press N now. N. It has reached here directly. So this port I need to change. I scroll here. Escape. I delete and 9. When I say escape I na, insert comes here. Again I need to press escape Now 9 is there. Colon W means write, Q means quit.
Okay.
Colon WQ. Enter. So file is updated. File is updated. Now I need to start the Tomcat. What was the command yesterday that we have written? Service.
Tomcat
Nice.
Tomcat 9.
Tomcat 9.
Start.
Start. Tomcat started, right?
Yes.
I
Service
go to
Tomcat 9
the
status.
public IP. Status we can check, but we am going to the browser. What was the port that we have taken?
8090.
90. Enter. And nothing came. I don't know why. 8090. Any reason why it not come? 189, 128. 189, 128.
So did we check Tomcat is running or not?
I'm just checking. That's the option that I have to check. Huh? It is running. But some message is also coming. $8090 is there, no?
Yes.
Redirect port is there.
No, that was the actual port and I have changed it. So that's okay. I'm not going to save it. If you don't want to save, then W, colon W only. $Q only, sorry. Enter, not W. W means right. So I go to my security group and check that if any security problem is there or not. Click on this. Go to edit roundtable. And it's saying all traffic. All traffic means it is going to support 80, 90, whatever. Every single port it will support. So I'm okay. 00 is written. So security is fine. I'm just checking what is the problem. I try again and write restart. Okay. And check. It's working. So it was not properly start because it was also giving some error message. Yeah, here. Although started, but not fully started. So Tomcat is running.
Yes.
But if I click here, manage web, it will give me the error. So I need to install the Tomcat admin also. Tomcat admin also. Okay. So here that is also written. So here I need to go and install Tomcat admin. And what is the command? Tomcat admin. Here Tomcat started, went to the web, deploy, we are now deploying you GUI. So here it is written. Install Tomcat admin 9, apt install Tomcat 9 -admin -y. So I run this command and right click, enter. Perfect. Now
Yes.
I go back and refresh. But one thing I should do it now. I should restart Tomcat one more time because new thing has been added. So I refresh again and then click on web. Now this time error is not there, but user ID password. I don't know user ID password. So I can set up my own user ID password. How? For that, you need to go to the particular file that is called this. VI, right click, enter. And here go all the way down. Right? But before this line, escape I, you can see insert, tab, up here, come here, and then open this. Just a sec. Can you see somewhere Tomcat? No problem. It should written here also, but anyway, I'll show you the specific one so that you can understand. Okay. And you know what? This is written here also. If I cancel that now, you will get this, that what you need to write, it is written also here. This is one. role username manage UI. If I go here, right? So same way it is written here. Only the thing is that Tomcat user, other things, just copy this. Copy this and you can do that. But there are other roles also if you want to add. Let me show you. Those are also there. And give me a detail about these things. So I go here with the Jenkins and Tomcat roles. Yeah, these are the ones. So here I'm giving username Tomcat, password Tomcat, role. You can use the manage GUI. You can use the GUI. It's duplicate. You can delete this. You can run the script. You can use the other things also here. I simply take it, copy it, and I go there. Escape I already pressed. Right click. It is there. Simple.
Yes.
Escape, colon, WQ, enter. This is done.
Mhm.
Restart Tomcat. Now I go there, go back, refresh, click on this. What was the username? Tomcat.
Tomcat.
What was the password? Tomcat. Can you see that? This is the whole GUI Tomcat now. Okay.
Yes.
So Tomcat is done. We are good. Now going back to the document. Here is my document. Okay. Here. So this is automatic build. We have installed Tomcat admin. This is done so far. Okay.
Yes.
Now I need to install Maven. I'm not going to install manual. I will install it through Jenkins. I'll go to the Jenkins, manage Jenkins. This is the heart of Jenkins. If you click on manage Jenkins, it's the heart of Jenkins. Okay. If you want to install any tool, you need to come here. Global tool configuration. And if you go to this document, it is written here also. Global tool configuration Maven. Okay. I click on global tool configuration. Remember that while installing this Jenkins, it has installed the Maven plugin also. Okay. So I scroll down. This is the Maven. I add Maven and say that Maven. And which version I want to install? I want to install 3.9.2. This is the latest version. It will automatically install. Save. That's all. You do not need to download. You don't need to execute anything. So yesterday, this is the one that I said that we have done. So Git installation already there. Java code we have not done. We have done the installation of Maven. That is done. So this still here we have completed. Tomcat we have completed. Tomcat installation we have completed. Any question here till here? This is very important, guys. Let me know if any question is there. Okay, Syed?
Yeah, this type of all things we have to install in the server, correct?
Yes, sir. Right?
Yes.
So Maven, I said Maven installation, that is automatically will happen. We just configure it, okay? It has not done yet, but it will automatically happen. Syed, sir. Syed Shehzad.
Yes.
We are good, sir?
Yes, okay, sir.
Syed Abrar. Hello. Syed Abrar. Ali Arbra. You both are same or different?
Oh, no, different. My name is Shehzad.
Okay. No, this guy, okay. Hold on. Rishikesh.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Perfect. Priyal Pujara, we are good, right? Okay, let's move on. So we are going to get the code.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Here. So can we also install the Tomcat through Jenkins?
We can, but the plugin is required. But yesterday I taught you through manual, right? That's the reason I the same process I followed. Okay. All of the things cannot be done, but yes, Tomcat, there is a plugin, you can do that.
And so what about Apache? Can we do it?
Jenkins is not for the application installation tool, sir. Jenkins is for the deployment tool.
Yes. Okay.
It's not a tool for all kind of application installation. No, this is a tool for this purpose. This diagram that we have created, deployment purpose, right?
Yes. Sir.
This purpose that we have done it here. Okay, sir.
Yes. Sir.
So don't consider it as a deployment tool. Consider it don't consider it an installation tool. It is a deployment tool, CI/CD tool. So now next is getting a Java code, but where I'm going to get it? No manual only. So what I'm going to do? I go to the dashboard, click on new items, right? Here, Maven plugin was installed. So the job, let's create a job. The job name is, where is that file?
Last one, sir. Jenkins notes.
Third one.
Yeah. Yeah. So very first job, hello world test, right?
Okay.
So create a Maven job. I'm going to select this and Maven job. Some people must be thinking why we are doing it, but I already said that manual deployment is not accepted in the industry and it's not possible also. So Maven, we are going to use, that's the reason Maven job. Okay. And here, but we are going to git URL, right? I'm going to use a GitHub URL. So I'm selecting this Git and I go to my Git, go here, copy this, go here, put it. And I will put the credentials also my Git. So go here, where is that? Add Jenkins, here username. Username was that my email ID, not my, but it's a long time back that I use. Password and add. So here select the credentials. Perfect. So I have given the Java path and I have given the user ID password. What is my main directory? This is the main. It's not somewhere it is written master. Maybe in your end it will be master. For me, it is a main. So I'll change it here. It's not master. It is a main. And also yesterday, remember that we run the Maven test, right? To test our code. So
Yes.
I go scroll down where my POM file is written. This is POM. And what was the command? Test, to test our code, right? If you remember. Right? So
Yes.
test, TEST. And I can run some Linux command also from here. I scroll down, add post build, execute shell.
Mhm.
And here I want to, let's say I want to check where this is going to build, PWD, remember? And if I write sleep, it will wait for 5 seconds or 10 seconds and then it will execute. Save. And my job is created. This is my job. This is my job. I can run the job from here. If the job is success, right, it will be fine. Otherwise, this icon will keep changing. I go here, I click on build, or I can go inside the job. I'm inside the job and click on build here. So build is going on. Can you see that is going on? It will wait for 5 seconds and then will run. So it is starting now. This process is running. It will take good time because it will install the Maven. Not only install the Maven, rather it will download the plugin for the Maven and it will run the test also of my code. It will download the Git code also. And then job is success. There is no error. Can you see here? This icon is same. No error. But it is showing that job ran 29 second time it took. Right? 18 second it took and 29 second back I executed the job. So here I click on this job and click on this, go here, open this drop down and click on choose output, console output. And the same thing we have seen yesterday, it is written here. Can you see that? It has gone to the Git, it is downloaded, Maven, it is executing all the test, fetching the POM file, Everything is happening, downloading the plugins of Maven. And finally, the same result we have seen yesterday, that build success. Right?
Okay.
That's what we have seen. And
Yes.
I have given the command PWD. Can you see the PW? In this path, this happened. In this path, this happened. So if I
Okay.
go to this path now, I copy this, I go to the server and check that session again gone. We have to wait. In this path, I will find my yesterday code that I have shown you yesterday, right? This Git code and with the test results. So wait and it will come. So can you see that manual is gone?
Yes.
Okay, Paro sudo su and cd this path. Can you see that yesterday? Target, source, POM file, everything we have seen, right?
Yes.
I go understand, go inside the target. Sorry. LSFNLA. Can you see that there is no war file here as of now?
Mhm.
Because we have not run the build process yet. Very first is test process, download and test. What I do now, I create another job. New job, create again Maven, because Maven command we have to run, that is nothing but the build command. And job name is hello world build. Again Maven, this is Maven. Okay. Right, and same git URL I need to pass, because it is going to get the code from there only, na? And you know what? I do not need to. I cancel this. I cancel this. I do not, basically. I go here, leave. This build is created. What I do, I delete this, because I do not need to do everything again. So what I do, I create a new items, build, sorry, what is the name? Build Maven. And you know what? I scroll down and give my previous job name, test. And I will get everything from this job. I do not need to configure the my Git user ID, everything. Can you see that? It is automatically came here. User
Yes.
ID also came here. This main came here, and I will scroll down. This pom.test is also came here. No, I do not want test. I want install. That's what I want. Right? And also sleep and PWD also came here. So this is the easy way of creating it now. And I save. But what I want this test job run and then build automatically happen after that. Wasim sir,
Yes, sir.
why should I run build independent, right? I should run test and the build should automatically happen. Na?
Yes, sir.
So
That's
I
right.
go to my hello world back, go to the configure and scroll down. And here I select my this. Sorry, go down here. Post build action, right?
Mhm.
Post build action. My bad. Yeah. See, build other projects.
Okay.
Okay. So if I write this name, build, so and save. So in my job, in my first job dependency will be there. This is my hello test. And inside hello test, it is saying that downstream project is this. It means if that job is completed, hello world test is completed, hello world build will automatically happen.
Okay.
You want to see that? So I'm not going to run this build. I'm going to run test again. And I go to the dashboard and I will simple do the refresh, nothing else. So hello world test is going on. Can you see that?
Yes.
Second job is running. First we already completed earlier. Now this is done. Now the build is in queue. 5 seconds we have given, right? Now can you see it's already starting? I refresh this. Can you see it started? I have not
Yes.
run this. This started, right?
Correct.
It is running now. I refresh this. If no error, everything is fine. So this is completed once, no error. If error comes, the icon will change. So I go inside that, and you know what? Yesterday we have seen, I click on this console output and I scroll down. Can you see that build successful? And this is the path. Hello world. I go to this path. Same path is there. CD ls-la cd target ls-la. Can you see now war file?
Yes.
Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
So in the manual we did this all. So let's go to the manual. Yeah. Can you see that? So this is POM is done, Maven test is done, Maven build is done, war is created, right? Everything is created. Git code is done. Correct, sir?
Correct.
But what I told, once my code is generated, right away, if I cooked the food right away, I don't want to eat it. That is also there, no?
Yes.
I want to keep it somewhere. That is called artifact repository. I
Artifact.
want to create an artifact repository, right? For that, you need to install a plugin. Okay. So here, I can right away deploy, I can create the job, but I want to artifact it, right? So that I'm installing a plugin called artifact repository. Plugin, I'm going to download this. Somebody is pinging. Hi, Ajay, give me access of recording. Why, Mr. Vivek, you need access of recording? It is by default recording.
Okay, Ajay.
Okay. No need to do that. So I go to my Jenkins and dashboard, manage Jenkins, plugin, available plugin, Control V. This is the plugin. I'm not going to restart this time. It is not required restarting. Hardly small plugin it is. It is installing, pending. Wait, success. I go back and let's create the 2 more jobs. Hello world test. I'm not going to deploy because we do not have production. I will explain this and next you will automatically explain. Here I'm not going to do any Maven build. I'm just going to take a war file and deploy. Right, Wasim?
Okay, sir.
No. In deploy, do we use Maven? No, because we are not building anything. We are just taking a war file and pasting it somewhere, right?
Yes.
So what I do, new item, place, no freestyle job, and I'm not going to take Maven also, and not going to copy the previous job also because I don't want all those things there. Okay. So only just for the, I'm just writing sleep 10 seconds and date. Save. But what I want, when the deployment will happen, Wasim? First test will happen, then
Yes.
build will happen, then this deploy will happen, right?
Right.
So after deploy, my test job should run. Na?
Correct.
So I click on build, go to the configure, scroll down, and post build action,
Action.
build other projects. This one. Make sense, sir?
Yes, sir.
The problem is that we are not able to understand from here where the dependency is there. From this job will run, right? There is a problem here. Na? We are not understanding. We have created the pipeline, but we are not understanding from where the pipelining is gone, right?
Right, sir.
Pipelining is like your normal pipelining at home of the water. You connect from one to the another, but if it is not visible, you cannot do anything, right?
Right, sir.
For that, we should learn. We again need a plugin so that we can see the dependency to each other. For that, we need a plugin that is, where is that? Just a second. We have already downloaded, or let me check. This build pipeline, we have already downloaded. Okay. So I click on this plus sign
Mhm.
and test view, build pipeline view, create. What is my first job that I want to start with? My first job starting is test.
Test.
That's all. Okay. And so you will see the pipelining now. This is the first job. This is the
Okay.
second job. This is the third job. This is a dependency, right? Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, if I want to run 2 jobs after this, how will you do that?
After which, sir?
After hello test job, I want to run 2 jobs. Let's say one more job I created. Then we need to set the dependency here. Then 2 jobs will come. Understood now?
Yes.
Clear? So this is the view that we have. Now you can see the dependency and pipelining.
Yes.
Perfect. Now I go to the dashboard. And we were talking about the artifact, right? We were talking about, I'm not creating this job. I keep it separate. Now I have downloaded the artifact, right? So, sir, my code is created where? My war file is created where? In the build file, right? When I
Yes.
build it, that time the war created. Make sense?
Yes.
It's too heavy, guys. I can stop it now if you want.
One
I
query
think-
is
But I
there.
need answer from everyone. It's too
What?
heavy now.
I am audible.
Yeah.
Dependency means we have to add it a new new item, correct?
Dependency means one after another.
So yeah, that is the thing. We have to add a new item.
Item means job.
Okay.
Item means job. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now third time I'm asking, guys, too much. Please let me know. Nothing much is
Yeah.
pending. Just wait for hardly 10 minutes. It will be done.
Yeah, not sure.
There are 18 people here apart from me.
No, sir.
And I'm in a
we are good.
democratic
We are
country.
good to
So
go.
minimum
sir.
50% vote is required.
We are good to go, sir.
We
Yeah,
can
good.
continue, sir.
Continue, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So we have done this. Now, Wasim, my war is created in this build, right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? War is created in this, right? If I go to the console output, my war is created here. So from here, I will take it and keep it into the artifact repository, na?
Yes.
तो boss, इसी में काम करना पड़ेगा. I need to work in this only. So I go here to my job, build, configure, and follow this. So here, build file, add post build action. I go to the post build action. This is the post build action. Where is the post build action? Post build action. And select archive the artifact. Select archive the artifact.
Okay.
This is the archive the artifact. And I want name can be anything, na?
Yes.
But the extension is war. Okay, sir.
Sir, if there are 2 war file and multiple war files, then
It will take all the war files.
So, sir, the 2 stars before a slash, that means a
It
folder
can be in
path.
any folder.
Yes.
It's
Okay.
a Linux command actually.
Okay.
Star any folder, then star any kind of name, and then war format,
Yes.
and then save. Now, if I show you, if I click on the workspace and click on workspace, there is no artifact. Can you see there any artifact here?
No.
Can you see any war file here? No. If I run this job again, and let me complete this. If I run this job again, wait, this is done. I go to the workspace. Wait. I need to go to the job 2 now. And can you see that?
Yeah. The war file.
Right? This is on build 2. If you go in build 1, you will not find this. Got it, sir? This is the artifact, build artifact. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Guys, clear hai? Artifact is ready.
Yes, sir.
Now it is up to you. When do you want to deploy? So test is done, build is done, artifact is done. Now only the last part is pending, that is deployment. Clear? Hai?
Yes.
Wasim, question
sir.
to you. If I I want to give you something. Here are two things. First, I should be agree to give you something. Second, you should be agree to take it.
Right.
Correct, Anna?
Right,
So
sir.
this job should be ready to give something to another job, and another job should be ready to accept that.
Okay.
Clear, Anna?
Yes, sir.
So here, this is my build. I go to the journal, permission to copy. I am giving permission to copy to the this artifact to this job.
Okay.
I am giving build job to giving a permission to this job that it can copy to this, right? So I go to the hello build. I am here, configure, and here in journal, I am in journal, permission to copy artifact, right? Permission to copy artifact. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes.
Project allowed to, right? So which job I need to copy this job, right?
Right.
This job has a permission to copy the artifact or copy my war file to this job. I'm having permission to give you something. Make sense?
Yes.
Save. But the another job has a permission to accept it. That needs to be worked on. So this is my another job. I'm going to the configure, and there also I need to go build step, build step, then copy artifact from the other project. I should have a permission to copy artifact from other project, right?
Okay.
Copy artifact from other project. Which project, sir? Build
You
project,
need to give the name.
right? Build
Right.
project. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Sir, I think there is a different name is something different. I think we should have hello world hyphen there.
Hello world. Yeah, this is a typo, है ना? If I take
Yeah.
this, है ना? So I copy this and you rightly want it. I'm not doing this. That is okay because execute shell we already did it. Na? This is execute shell.
Yeah.
Make sense? If I want to change the sequence, I can do that. The whole thing can be dragged up and down. That is okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is down and that is up. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Should I click on save? This is save. So build got the permission to copy to test deployment job, and test deployment job has given the consent that yes, you can copy, right?
Right.
But test job also need to deploy that war file to Tomcat. That we have not done, na? You getting what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Test job has not got the permission. Test job has don't know where is the Tomcat and where to deploy. So I configure and go to the test job. Hello world test deploy, add post build action, right? There it is asking us archive the artifact. Where is the archive the artifacts? Okay.
Okay.
I'm not going to select because why I'm not going to select? Because artifact learning we have already done in the past job, right? Here also we are going to do artifact repository. No, we want to deploy. This we have already done. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Same thing. I want to deploy post build action, deploy a war file to the container. Where is that? Deploy war file to the container. Deploy war file to the container. Which kind of file I want to deploy? **.1. Any kind of war file.
Okay.
War ER file. ये लिखा ना war ER file. Where I want to deploy? Contest path /app. I want to deploy under /app.
Okay.
And what is the container? Container is my Tomcat. What was the version of Tomcat? 9. I select. What is the URL of Tomcat?
So with the port number. Okay.
So why choose we /app?
Because yesterday I remember that we have written the /war file name. I'll show you. So this is the URL, right, of Tomcat. Wasim boss.
Yes, sir.
And user ID password of Tomcat is Tomcat. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anybody, any confusion here? And save. Now, what I'm going to do, I go to my test view and I'm going to run this job. And it should, here in the Tomcat, if I write app, this is what you're asking, right? If I write app, my code should come. I'm
Yes.
going to run. I'm not, if everything is successful, then my code will come here. This is running, and this should, this has not run once. Check that if it is working successfully or any error, we have to wait.
Okay.
But I will prefer to press enter and nothing is there. 404. Okay.
Mhm.
I wait for that.
So as per the flow, initially we just tested that code, then we build it, then we deployed and copied it to Tomcat 9. If we say
So here the deployment is happening in Tomcat 9, the last statement that you said,
yes,
right? I refresh this job. This is running now. Hello, build. And then going to the third job. Second is also done. Third is started running. I refresh. I'm not able to wait, so I'll refresh again. I'm a impatient guy. I refresh again. One more time, which is taking time. And perfect. So if I go here and press enter, can you see? It's working, right?
Yeah.
Now,
Yes,
till yesterday we did it. Now we did it automatically. Now the good thing is that if I make changes into my code, I go to my code. I do not need to do everything manual. I just go here, click on this, click on edit, scroll down, and I delete. This Devops batch is learning Devops now. Anything, whatever. Scroll down and there, commit. And then I go to my job, first job, again I need to run. Just run, no need to do anything. And wait. Until this was completed, we have to wait. Actually, I should have removed this sleep 10 and all. Nah? It is taking more time, right?
Right, sir.
I go here. I go to that configure. Let it run. Next job, it will not sleep. I remove. Build also. Done. Test. Now I refresh it. Can you see that?
Yes.
Have I done anything? I just run the job again. That's all. Guys, can you see the magic of deployment now?
yes, sir.
Earlier, so many manual steps were there, only one-time configuration. And let's say I don't want to do this again. I don't want to run this job also. I'm very lazy guy. I don't want to run this job. It should automatically happen. What I do? I go to the first job, configure, and I go to this. Wait, just a second. I go here and just scroll down. GitHub project, not this. We should do copy. Just a second. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yeah. Okay, I click on this git hook trigger git scm polling. I selected this. Okay,
Okay.
and I copy this URL also, and I go to git, and in this git I go to the setting, and in this setting I go to the webhook. In the webhook I add webhook, and after that you will find this. Edit. You need to put the URL like this. Okay, this kind of URL you need to put, and then application, and select this just push event and active. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
And this is done. Can you see that how many times I have run this job?
So you need to save this.
And I have run this job 4 times, right? This is also run 4 times. This is run 3 times.
Right.
I am not going to run job also. I will just go here in my GitHub, go to my project, and I click on this change code. Developers are changing the code, and I click on edit, and I write here this DevOps batch, then DevOps now and learning good, anything, and click on commit. Remember that, I have not done anything. I just commit. I go to the dashboard and refresh. Okay.
That started to run hello world test.
Can you see that it's running? Hello world test started automatically. As and when I do the commit, the whole process will automatically start. Right? Have you seen that, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, coming to the thing, I could have explained what is new item, what happens, you can install the plugin this way, you can go to the build and check, this is your output job, this is search command, this is like boss, but that will be kind of a basic learning stuff. I have started with directly project so that you can understand the real-time working model of that. Are you getting, guys?
Yes, sir.
I should have started, this is the Jenkins, click on dashboard, learn this is the user, this button does this and all. But this real learning from the project, you have understood so many things of Jenkins automatically when we did the project. So many things automatically. Right? What is job, how the job's there, how the Maven installation happens, from where we change the Jenkins URL. So many things that you have run automatically. And that's what the beauty is. Right? That's what the beauty is if we do the project. And that's what many people were asking the demo, and even called me separately. Ajay, are we going to do the project? And we have started with project only. So you got the answer, guys. That's what you were looking for. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? यार इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. Yes or no? Don't hesitate to say.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
हाँ?
yes.
I'm working for you. Your
Yes, sir.
confirmation, appreciation, disregards, whatever is there, at least say something. Na? Many people just sitting idle. They do not talk. I do not have a problem, but you will have a problem when you face the interview because you don't talk. I
Sir,
keep saying this.
sir, in
Go
Jenkins,
here and refresh this page. Can you see that? This is came here, learning good.
Yeah.
So think about it. You can develop the pipelining. You learn the pipelining, guys. Can you see that? You have learned the pipelining.
Yes.
sir.
है ना? If I want to run after this test job, I want to run one more job together. Simple. Simple. Create one more job. Let's say test job. Freestyle. Okay. And then let's say build shell sleep 10, and let's say anything, date, whatever. But here the dependency is there. Post build is not in this post, in this. Rather, first job, right?
Yeah.
Copy this. Go back to the test job and configure.
Post build action.
Post build, there are 2 jobs I need to put, right? One is hello build, comma,
Yeah,
Okay.
first one. Save job.
Save. And I go to my test view. Can you see another job?
Yeah.
Sir, if you want to skip the dependency, if suppose any dependencies fails to pass, and we don't want that like that, this dependency cause any issue.
So go to this job, go inside the job, and this one configure, and whatever the dependency you have given, it is written. If it is stable, then it should go. If it is successful, if it is unstable, then also it should go. It is up to you. If it is fails, then it should go. It is up to you. So you can define that in which condition you want to pass it. I've said that if it is a fail, then it will not go.
Yeah. Got
Understood
it.
now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is you can run the job from here. You can run the console output from here, right? You can see that what is the outcome. If you click here, it will show that what is the outcome. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
the whole CI/CD process you have learned. And you know what? I have not explained the theory. Even now, I have not explained that who has developed the Jenkins, why Jenkins is important and all. But project practically you understood. Now, if I talk theory, you can very well easily understood, and that's what the beauty is. That's what the beauty is. And you know what? This is the whole Jenkins. Everything is here. If you follow, and every single line is written, this is practical, not theory. Huh? Every single line is written. You just need to follow and do that, so that you can make your hands dirty. You can understand the things and all, right?
Right.
So you need to follow this document. You need to do this. The whole week is in front of you. Do that. Next time when you come here, don't say that, Ajay, we have not got the time. And we are human. Sometime I understood that we couldn't get the time because of any X reason. That is fine, but should be justifiable. Okay.
Yes.
Can we use the Git code? Yeah, you can. You can. Boss, Git is open for everyone. Even this Git code that is with me. Hold on. This with me. You can copy it. I'm giving the URL. You can Git clone. You can do that. Okay. It is free, available for everyone. Okay. You can create your Git, and you can put the code there also. Okay. Create your GitHub.
And where will you put the document you have, the note?
I'll upload this now into the
Okay.
LMS,
Okay, all right.
or I'll give you in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, please share the documents with us. The steps which you performed.
That's what I said, sir.
Yeah.
Just a second back. I'll give you. Okay.
One more question I have. Like, how much time I can keep it running, like the instances, without like paying free? And
See, if you started now, if you're practicing for next 2 hours, keep running. And if you take a break for lunch, that is okay. Half an hour, 45 minutes. You stop it. Don't delete it. But if you know that the whole day you cannot do, then delete it. And tomorrow you create it again.
Okay.
And do everything again. Multiple time doing these things will make you hands-on.
Yeah, right.
And don't keep running the server, otherwise you have to pay.
Okay.
Okay. Somebody is pinging. When will the recording? Ritaj, in next 2-3 hours or something, you will get it recording here. They will upload it.
Okay, but yesterday it was still in evening, there was no record. That's why I'm asking.
Don't worry, you put in LMS, you put the question, they will upload it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So for that Git code, I think we can copy your ones, right?
I have given you the code link, you can copy it, that's okay.
Yeah.
I already given you the copy link, na?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I've got a query.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say, okay, we made a change to the code and the job was triggered. Okay, but the job hasn't finished and there was one more change done. So will it trigger one more job and wait for the first one to get
The question
over?
is, the job is running. On the
Mhm.
runtime, you will make the changes.
I mean, let's
Then there
say
is a problem. You are not a good developer then.
multiple developers are working on that.
Then they know
Same
that when to
requirement.
commit. Commit, when I teach you Git, then I'll tell you when you should commit.
Okay.
There is a defined process for that. It's not like every second, every minute you should do commit. If you do that, you know what? Developer performance is measured based on the commit. You know that. If you're a developer and you are doing unnecessary commits or you are not doing commit, your performance will be measured based on that.
All right, got it.
Abhashina said that, sir, where are you uploading that notes? What's up? WhatsApp or dashboard? Both. Sorry. Yeah. I'll give you either on the WhatsApp or in the dashboard. Okay, Mr. Sinha.
Sir, who owns Jenkins?
Sorry?
Who owns Jenkins? Like when did it came in market or
Every single company requires Jenkins. Every single. Without that, how will you do the deployment?
yes? Is there any like rival of Jenkins or same like
There
Jenkins?
are. There are. When I teach a theory in next class, I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Theory I have not explained. There are. Harness is a tool that is a competitor. There are many others. But Jenkins has killed the market. Most of the companies are using this. Okay. If no other question, we can conclude this session, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Ajay sir.
Bye-bye. Hope you like the
Yes, sir.
session, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.